Good morning. Let's talk about the problem of multi-resistant bacterial pathogens, the so-called multi-resistant superbugs, and which is a very important and increasing problem globally, both for pediatric patients and especially for adult and elderly patients. Unfortunately, many common pathogenic bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, Enterococci, Enterobacteria, and the gram-negative non-fermenters have become increasingly resistant to the antibiotics that we are currently using in clinical practice. And we now encounter, with increased frequency, strains of these pathogens that are resistant to several, and in some cases to virtually all the antibiotic agents that we currently have, which creates a great problem and a great challenge in dealing with this type of infections, because we are lacking weapons to treat this type of infections. And unfortunately, during the past years, the pharma research has lagged behind in antimicrobial discovery and development. Fortunately, we are observing now some upcoming new antibiotics that could be active against these multi-resistant pathogens. But still, we have to deal with methicillin-resistant Staphylococci, which are resistant to many anti-staphylococcal agents. And the most important and the most challenging currently are the extremely resistant Enterobacteria. So those Enterobacteria, mostly Klebsiella, which are resistant to carbapenems and resistant to many other agents. Against these strains, we have really very few options, and even these options are becoming increasingly effective. So what we really need for the near future are new drugs active against these pathogens, and we also have to struggle to contain their diffusion by strict infection control policies.